morning, all of you. What happened? Any problem? Do you have any problem, beta? Good morning, all of you. What problem do you have? You can't see. Please, you just leave the class and join again. Maybe your problem will be solved. Okay? Can you hear my voice? Class 4 far? Okay, fine. Can you? Okay, very good, beta. Can you see the board clearly? Okay, fine. Okay, and you know that date schedule has been given. Okay, PT2 exam is there. So, uh, PT2 syllabus I am given in the e-portal also. Chapter number 6. And you all please, if you don't mute your microphone, there is a very noise is coming. I cannot speak with you. You all please. Okay, wait just a minute. Okay, I have seen. Okay, now, okay, I'm muted, beta. Shomili. Okay, now your exam. I hope you all have seen that one, that exam date schedule. First, you have a computer exam. Computer syllabus is chapter number 6. Chapter number 6, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This chapter have in your. Hey, I'm telling no. Listen. Chapter number 6. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This chapter have in your PT2 syllabus, okay? Chapter number 6. Okay. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This chapter already completed, and a previous class we have completed what? Oh yeah, only chapter number 6, PT2, okay? And listen, previous class we have completed till fill in the blanks. Book exercise started. Previous class we have started the book exercise. Fill in the blanks completed. If fill in the blanks completed, beta. So I hope you all have completed. You all have watched the video. Who have not joined that class, previous class. I hope they watched that video. And have you completed fill in the blanks in your book or not? Okay. No need to repeat this part. No, fill in the blanks. No need to repeat. Okay, I hope if you have watched the video and who have completed, fine, very good. But still, I want repeating that fill in the blanks. And then today we will start the new names from the true false. Okay, and who still not completed this part, please complete it quickly. Okay, you all please open page 86 and follow me. Number 1A, fill in the blanks. The backstage view appears when you click on the file tab. Whose bookwork is incomplete, they will complete it now, and whose is completed, they will check it once more. Okay, the dash contains several tools or menus that are most frequently used in office application. Quick access toolbar. Number B, quick access toolbar. Okay, and next, number C, an individual page in a presentation. An individual page in a presentation is called the slide. Is called the slide. Okay, next, number D, the keyboard shortcut to open a new slide in MS PowerPoint is Control plus N. Control CTRL plus N. And next, number E, a series of slides. A series of slides displayed one by one on the screen is called slide show. Yes, Supratik, slide show. SLIDESHOW. Slide show. I hope now you all have completed this part. Now we will go to the next topic. Number 2, true or false. True or Shomili still not completed. quick beta. It was the previous day's work. You should complete. And now number 2, true or false. You have to write the whether the statement is true or false. Yes, Shupratik, you were correct beta. Now, and if you when you will give the answer, always numbering: A true or false, B true or false, C true or false, in this manner. Okay. In MS PowerPoint, you cannot move picture or text according to your need. It is false. Shupratik, you were correct beta, but put the number A, false. Shomili, fill in the blanks completed. Next, number B, to close the PowerPoint. Yes, Shubhango, very good beta. Shourangshu, very good. Not Shubhango, Shourangshu, okay. To close the PowerPoint application, click on the file tab and then close option. Number 2, Shupratik, very good. Number B, true. Number B, true. And next number C, our presentation cannot have more than one slide. Yes, Shourangshu, number B, true, correct. Next, number C, presentation cannot have more than one slide. 3, false. Yes, Shourangshu. Shubham, very good beta. Shupratik, very good. Number C, false. Because our presentation have more than one slide. Cannot have, it's told, so it is false. Next, number D. Next, number D, you can insert a picture from the gallery in the slide. True or false? Yes, Shubham. D, true. Tanushree, yes. Shupratik, very good beta. Shourangshu, Shubhango, very good beta. D, true. D, true. And E, once you select a slide layout, you cannot change it. It is E, false. Yes, Shubham, very good. Tanushree, very good. Shupratik, very good. Shubhango, Shourangshu, very good beta. E, false. We can change it, so it is false. True, false completed. A, false. B, true. C, false. D, true. E, false. I hope you all have completed. Now we can I rub the board? For the next, tick the correct answer. Shomili, completed beta? Tick. Okay, fine. Now, number 3, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct option. Number A, first number A. If you want to save the PowerPoint presentation, you should click on the very good Shubham, Shupratik, file tab. Shoed, very good beta. Number 1, A1 is the correct answer. File tab. Next, number B. To insert a new slide, you have to go to the which tab? You have to go to the number B option. Number B, number show it 2, 3. No, to insert a new slide, you have to go to the home tab. Number 4, 2, 4. Yes, Shupratik, Shoham Chakraborty, very good beta. Number B, 4 is the correct answer. Home tab. Next, number C. The group on the insert tab has the options to add pictures to a slide, images, text and comments. Very good, Shupratik. Very good beta. C2 is the correct answer. Images. C2 images. C2, yes. Shomudi, very good. Shoyed, very good. Shourangshu, very good. C2 is the correct answer. Next, number D. Different themes can be applied to the slide by selecting design. Very good beta. By selecting design. Yes, Shubham, Supratik, Shoham Chakraborty. Very good beta. D option 3 is the correct answer. D option 3 design is the correct answer. Next number E. Next number E. Number E, the thumbnail version of each slide is shown in the, it's shown in the, no beta Supratik, it is in option 3, D, E, number E, option, yes, 3, E3 is the correct answer, E3, slide navigation pan, E3, question number 3, option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Option 3. Slide navigation pan. Slide navigation pan. Okay. Done everyone? Yes. Very good all of you. Have you completed? Everyone completed? Okay. Very good. Okay. Fine. Now match the following. Now next, match the following. Match number 4, match. Left side I will write only, okay. And number A, control plus O. Number B, control plus N. Number C, control plus S. Number D, control plus W, and number E, control plus A. Okay, and right side I will not write, I will just tell to you. And number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. Okay, control plus O. Control plus O, this one we use to open a existing file. Control plus O we use to open a existing file. This is number 1. 1A. 1A. Very good, Shoed. Very good, Supratik. Next, number B. Control plus N. Control plus N. Yeah, number 3. To create a new slide. To create a new slide. Number 3B. 3B. Next, number C. Control plus S. Control plus S. Control plus S to save a presentation. Number 4. To save a presentation. Number 4C. Next, control plus W. Control plus W to close a presentation. Number 5D. Number 5 to close a presentation. 5D. And control plus A. Control plus A to select all slide. Number 2. Number 2. Yeah. Select all slide. Number 2E. You all please match it right side. 1A, 2E, 3B, 4C and 5D. Clear? Done everyone? Have you completed this part? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then you all please take out your computer notebook quickly. We will write the question answer in our notebook, not in book. Okay. So you all please take out your computer notebook. Hey, Shomili, matching completed. Shomili?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now, very short answer type questions. You all please take out your notebook. Very short answer type questions. Number answer 1. Answer 1. Everyone, if you all first you will write the question and then answer. But here I will write only answer. Here I will write only answer, okay? And you all will write the question first and then answer. Give some paces to write the question. Okay. Uh, what are the different parts of the quick access toolbar? What are the different parts of the quick access toolbar? Write down the answer. Answer A is shave, redo, undo. These are the different parts of the quick access toolbar. Okay, you all please follow the board carefully and write down. Answer B. Next, answer B. Which extension name is used when a PowerPoint presentation is saved? Which extension name is saved when a PowerPoint presentation is saved? It is .pptx. .pptx in small letter. .pptx. Next question. Question number C. How will you close a PowerPoint presentation? How will you? Yes, Shoham Chakraborty, very good. How will you close a PowerPoint presentation? Yes, write down the answer. Click on the file tab. Click on the file tab and then close option. Then close option. Click on the file tab and then close option. In this manner you just write down. In another way also you can close a PowerPoint presentation, that Control plus W. Control plus W we can use to close up PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Click on the file tab and then close option in this manner, or Control, keyboard shortcut Control or Control plus W. This is the keyboard shortcut. Okay. And now next question. Question number D. Can I rub this part? Have you completed this portion or not? Okay, fine. Now number D. Now number D. Answer. List any two uses of MS PowerPoint. List any two uses of MS PowerPoint. Two way you have to write any two uses. Show number 1 and 2. Number 1 to present views. Number 1 to present views and ideas. Views and ideas in a very innovative manner. Very innovative manner. And number 2 ways you have to write to create a visual impact on the audience. And you can write another one also, to present information in meeting. This one also you can write any two. There is a 3 in your book as given. You can write any two. To create a visual impact on the audience. Okay, done this one. You all please complete this part till this much. And now I will take your attendance. Do you have any? Yes, beta. You cannot see. Question number C. Question number C, it was, how will you close a PowerPoint presentation? Click on the file tab and then close option, or click on the file tab, then and then close option, or another way also you can, that is Control plus W. You can apply to close a PowerPoint presentation. Done, everyone? Now please, who are present, yes. .pptx, PowerPoint, .pp, PowerPoint, and tx I have to see that one. Next day I will confirm it to you, okay? pptx. This by default computer is saying it is obviously it have a full form. Next class I will tell you. Okay, .pp means PowerPoint. And who are present, please write down P. Shamia Sultana.